What's going on? Auto Scotty here. My apologies, haven't posted in a while. Been extremely busy. I'm really tired. Gigs are kind of starting up again, so I was late one last night. I got some big news here for you. What we're looking at here is my brand new motorhome. Well, not brand new, just 1994, but this is the next piece of exciting content that we're going to have on my channel here. This is a 1994 Dutchmen 3400 motorhome. This would have been a really snazzy motorhome in its day. I'm going to show you around real quick. There's a lot of problems with this motorhome that need to be repaired. I'm going to start off on the outside around the body. So let's go around here. So there's a lot of like trim pieces that are busted that are going to need to be repaired. The awning has a bent frame here. Some of the baggage doors, all the locks will need to be replaced, and generally there's a lot of these pieces missing. I've fixed the outlet so far. The fridge in this motorhome doesn't work right now, so that we're going to be repairing that. A lot of the body, this motorhome was taken down a logging road, and it actually got stuck in a and he tried to take it down something like this, and it got stuck and he ripped off a lot of the trim. The ladder's broken. Fortunately the hitch was on, so I think that kind of saved that. Other than that, the body is pretty good. It's got a one-piece aluminum roof, and I'll keep going here. A lot of little things on this that are broken, like, you know, get a look at all this trim that's busted up, and that happened when the motorhome got stuck in the rut there. And a lot of these doors are just kind of need a lot of work. It's an outdoor rinsing station on this. It has an Atwood hot water heater, really nice water heater. It works perfectly, lights up first time, works really well. That's an Atwood furnace. That's a I think that's the 35,000 BTU. It has a generator. This is a Generac Q55G. It's a 5.5 kilowatt generator. Works really awesome. And this RV is also equipped with hydraulic leveling jacks. None of which are functioning right now. You see there's a lot of work to do here, and we've got the hydraulic leveler system here. This motorhome has a lot of features for its year. You can see it's got a backup camera here. Backup camera works awesome, and I'll make another video outlining more of the features. Used to be a TV where that plywood is, a tube TV. It was obviously taken out, and flat screen was there. There is a leak, or was a leak, along this part of the ceiling. You can see that some of the wallpaper is delaminating there. I've already fixed that leak, but we're going to have to do some more work on that roof there. And let's go inside. Oh, one more thing. This motorhome has some electrical issues. This tire here will need a new ball joint. It's kind of like this right now, and it's wearing on the inside. This motorhome is going to be moved in 10 days, and that has to be fixed. So you can see why I haven't been putting videos. I mean, not only this motorhome I've been working on, but my other motorhome as well. I'm trying to get that on the road. But come on, let's do a little tour inside. Alright, moving inside. Okay, so really, as I say, this is a big motorhome for its year. It's got a lot of features, and just give you a nice little look. Skylight, I really like this. It's got a really interesting setup with the dinette. It's not your typical setup. Still trying to figure out if I like that setup, but I do really like that. One of the things I just love about this motorhome is the windows. There's so many windows in this thing. So yeah, there's a lot of issues up front here that need to be fixed. Water leak has been stopped, but it has done some damage. So this couch turns into a bed. These slide out and they have extra cushions, and that whole thing turns into one big bed, so it's kind of nice. Plus, you know, sitting here, have a good day. It's just a really nice nice setup. And Jayla's leaving for some band practice. She's always making herself at home. Down here is your water heater, button, stove, all of which is in pretty good shape. The fridge is a Norcold, does not work. It ignites, the igniter board and everything like that, and the element is working perfectly, but it's not getting cold. So we're gonna see about that. There are 2 air conditioners, one up front and one in the back. There is a nice little cubby here, and there's a spice rack with a little latch here, and this slides out. That's a nice little rack here. Another little storage cubby up there. Yeah, a lot of great storage here. Everything is clean. I did a lot of cleaning, and then here's the master bedroom. So you got another air conditioner down here. So it's got this privacy door here that you can pull across, and let's have a look at the bathroom. Bathroom is really nice. Much bigger than the bathroom in my other RV. And again, this would have been a really swanky unit back in '94. It just has a lot of the nice features that only the expensive motorhomes back then came with. Skylights, and the leveling jacks, and really nice unit. So this motorhome is going to be going to my land. I have a transit booked for it on August 26th, and we're of course in 2020 right now. And so yes, it does need a lot of mechanical work before it can hit the road. Right now there's a hole in the brake line, hole in the 2 brake lines. I gotta replace 2 of the brake lines and a ball joint. Somehow I have to get that done in very little time, which is I'm not only working on this RV, but I'm working on my other one that you've seen on my channel, which goal there is to get that on the road, which I'm going to make a video of the process of trying to get that on the road, which should be interesting, because I feel like the biggest challenge with these big Class A's is just getting them legal and on the road in an economical manner, which is basically, wow, it's super challenging. Come on, Zoe, let's go. Zoe really likes the motorhome already. So yeah, it's a quick little tour, and so you can look forward to, I'll put all the videos concerning this Dutchmen motorhome in a playlist, and you can follow along with me doing all the repairs and stuff like that. Of course, these stairs are, it's got a electric retractable step, and that's it for today. So my apologies for not posting, but we've been quite busy. I've got a lot of content, jet ski related, Sea-Doo related content that I just have to edit and upload. Stick around the channel. It's exciting times. We'll see you soon.